Y'all wonder how I got this blonde wig to turn almost silver. Well, I gotta let it sit in this toner for 5 minutes. That's how. Yellow wig. Let it sit in the toner for at least 5 minutes after I just washed it with the shampoo. I went over it with the conditioner. Always brush through it. And check out the video for more. For me, this is an all-in-one, so I like to get my wig wet. Again, this is where that shimmer lights come in. The shampoo. This is the sorry I don't have 2 ends, y'all. My camera stand just fucking up right now. But I'm gonna show you the afterwards result. Stay tuned. Stay with me. I'm here. You can see some started turning gray tones, but that's okay too for my look. I'm adding purple there. Silver white tones is what you was trying to get this wig to anyway. This is where we at, silver white tones. And that's how you tone your wig for coloring. And if you wanted it all silver, you would have let it sit longer. You want it all white, you wash it off faster. With this mixture, mine don't really matter. All right, y'all. Bye.
And I got more to go. Girl around my hood portfolio. 30K in doors. Yeah, going doors. We ain't going broke. Yeah, I had to level up, put the game on story mode. Niggas just a fake beat.